So a couple of days ago, I used ChatGPT to generate this design for me, these fan heads, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. You'll notice that when I try to recreate this, it'll give me a different design than the one it originally made, but this is just to kind of give you guys an idea of like the steps to go through and how to prompt it to create the image that you want. That's the thing about image generation with AI, is that it'll almost certainly give you a different design every time, right? So this was what I originally prompted it to do a couple of days ago, and I uploaded both of these pictures at the same time, and this was the output. And so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I did it, starting from just going to ChatGPT. The prompt that I'm using this time is create a graduation fan head using this image with the words Dennis 2026 on it. And we're going to find the image that we want it to use, drag it into ChatGPT, and together with our prompt, we're going to go ahead and hit enter. And now we just wait for it to do its thing. It does take a minute or two to generate the images sometimes. And once it generates the image, we can continue to prompt it to tweak the image however we see fit, right? Like I don't like that it gave me this handle, so I'll add another prompt for it to remove the handle, and it did. I'm still not crazy about the shape, so I gave it one last prompt to make the shape round, and it did. This looks good to me, so now we'll just go ahead and download the image onto our computer and print it. And as usual, I'll be using my HP MV5660 inkjet printer. If you do a lot of printing at home like I do, I highly suggest that you look into HP's Instant Ink program. This video is not sponsored, but I always recommend them because they are cost-effective and convenient. The ink cartridges get delivered to my door before my current ink cartridges even run out, so I don't even have to go to the store and buy my own ink cartridges anymore. And it's a lot cheaper than going out and buying the cartridges individually. It has just saved me so much time and money. I wish I had heard about them sooner. If you're interested, I will leave the link to that down below, as well as the link to my printer and the cardstock that I will be using to print these fan heads on. So now that it's printed, I went ahead and cut it, glued these popsicle sticks onto there, and added a little red bow, and voila! There are 1,000,001 uses when it comes to graphic design and AI. I've used it to create these fan heads, to create these matching water bottle labels to go with the theme of my party and invitations. I've used it to create this Sonic logo for a birthday party. So if you guys are interested in this type of content and want to see more AI generated graphic design tutorials, let me know down below. And as always, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.